So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. And yes, guys, I finally have a screen recorder, and I'm going to be doing probably daily videos on these promo codes. I might skip a few, but I've worked my hardest to try to find, and I'm talking to the owners of this too, and the Discord channel, which they have right here. Join their Discord. Um, but basically, I was looking around and I found one of their YouTube channels that actually gives um, codes. So as you can see right here, that's the code right there. So you just want to type it in, code. So actually, like all of these codes right now are actually all expired, I guess, right now. So this is the only one that I think works on the site right now. It's code hub rocks. And it'll say you've already redeemed this code, and I've got 1 Robux, which you can see right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.